This is the brief on aircraft cleaning and corrosion control. All right, so we're jumping into Chapter 8 of the General Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook. This is all about the fundamental, hands-on skills you absolutely need to identify, prevent, and treat deterioration on aircraft structures. First, a successful corrosion inspection really starts with knowing what you're looking for. I'm talking about that general roughening, that etching or pitting of the metal, often with a kind of powdery deposit. And here's a critical tip for you. On steel propeller blades, wiping them down with oil is a simple trick that actually helps reveal any developing cracks. Second, protection. You got to use the correct methods and materials. This means you need to be able to identify different types of protective paint finishes. A key skill here is knowing how to properly apply stuff like edge solutions and conversion coatings to treat metal surfaces after you've removed the corrosion. And finally, effective cleaning, especially for non-metallic parts. When it comes to cleaning, say, transparent plastics, you have to use specified safe agents. Remember this one, Cleaning Compound Specification MIL C5410. That's the stuff that's safe for those sensitive materials and won't cause damage. Knowing these specific materials and procedures isn't just textbook stuff. It's absolutely essential for performing maintenance correctly and keeping the aircraft airworthy.